guys, what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando. We got a couple different things going on. Penguin Trek, Spooktacular, and also I have all day dining that I do needed to redeem for my summer reward, so that'll be interesting. Let's go inside and check it out. Overall for a Saturday, it's not too bad of a line to get in, so let's continue. Fall decorations, of course, as y'all know. And here's the treat bags for this year. Where's the candy? Rounding up some candy. And cutest little pumpkin in the patch. They also have some more in the gift shop. Happy Halloween and watch me make this candy disappear. Little penguin. And here's some more stuff. You got some lanyards, some stickers, decorate your own buckets, little like lanterns, little pumpkin headband, blankets. And there's those boo necklaces. We've seen those before though. Princess tiara. And a little candy corn fan. Sky Tower is still down. So over at the Lakeside Grill, they've kind of transformed into like a Mexican style food. They have like queso burgers, they have rice bowls, and I ended up getting the 3 street tacos. It comes with like carne asada, or you can get chicken, or they have like a plant-based meat, and also comes with like beans and rice. So pretty good setup. It's that time of year again for SeaWorld Spooktacular. Getting all the candy, seeing all the characters. Fun time of year. So of course, like previous years, they have the trick-or-treat stations with the little funnel that comes out. And wow, that is quite the line. And right over by the Ray Touch area, we have a little gargoyle guy. Not too bad of a line actually by the Haribo, and you would think the Haribo would actually have the longest line in my opinion, but yeah, not too bad a line over here. And we got the Haribo acquired, and we're gonna go around and see what else we can get. And they also got this cute little jack-o'-lantern candy corn, a little decorative banner over by the dolphins. And this stand over here is the Albanese gummy bears. Tell me guys, what is better, the Albanese or the Haribo? Alright, Cowtails is the next booth over here. And not as busy as the Albanese booth, so yeah, not too bad. Over by the dolphin underwater viewing, they have goldfish pretzel crackers. It was funny because last year I believe they had like Lay's potato chips. So yeah, it's like the snack area here. And it's funny because every other trick-or-treat area has like a busy line, and then one has like a not busy line. It's funny. So over here we got a funny graveyard. We got Seymour Worms, Emma Ghost, Ben Better, Many Bones, I'll Be Back, Electrified, and Hugh Be Next. Very cool. Over here it's kind of like a foggy area, but there's like movable coral pieces, so yeah, it's kind of like a photo op too, so yeah. Showing love to the Haribo this year. Got the mini mix over here, and also kind of a longer line, but guys, Saturday, I'm not complaining, of course, you guys know that, but yeah. And over here you got the giant jack-o'-lantern. Let's walk on through here. Let's try to do this in one take. Oh, our favorite. We got the fish, pumpkins, all over the place. Yeah, so all over, got a giant pumpkin fish area. Very cool. And they even have some drinks for SeaWorld Spooktacular. They have a mojito, margarita, the pink lemonade, mimosa, non-alcoholic witch's brew, and some ice cream cookie cups. Over at this station we have poppin' candies. Pop rocks. So yay, pop rocks. Gummy burgers and hot dogs. Oh my god, I love these things. So yes, I will partake in the gummy burgers and hot dogs. These things are pretty much the best like gummy candy I could probably say. I literally wish these were in like big size. Like, can you imagine these being like quarter-pounder burgers? Wait, I don't know, but yeah, these things are amazing. All right, we're gonna be going through the Bubble Tree Haunted Forest. Yes, very cool. It smells kind of good actually. Yum. Ooh, behind the scenes. Not really behind the scenes, but look, this is what makes the bubbles. Wow! That's cool. This one's even cooler because we got all the fog coming out too. That's neat. Pink chicken bat. So, do you call it a pat? Haha. Over here by Journey to Atlantis, we have candy necklaces and a splashdown. So it looks like over here they have some coloring activities that the kids can partake in. So very cool. Little jack-o'-lantern scarecrow in the bushes over here. Another booth over here by Journey to Atlantis, Tootsie Roll Fruities. I don't think I've actually ever been underneath Journey to Atlantis, but yeah. Here it is. Ooh, ah. Over at this trick-or-treat station, we have Choose Me Gummies. Over here, we have Sour Patch Kids, also a great candy, if I do say so myself. So, certain times of the day near Journey to Atlantis / Kraken Plaza, they have Scarecrow Dance Party, and you can see the times here.
It's the spider dance. I hate the spider dance. This is gross. Rolling and wiggling, 8 legs all jiggling. Dance with the spiders. It's really quite shivering to the creepy. Okay, time to stir the cauldron. Here we go.
Got another little pumpkin photo op near Journey to Atlantis. Really cute, colorful. I like it. So, Kraken is closed for maintenance. Wow, wow. Over by the sea lion habitat, noisy as usual, but we do have some sleepers over there. Whoa, that guy's like super up there. That's crazy. Alright, and then here's some more over by the penguin encounter. So yeah, frankly, I'm cute. Happy Halloween. And then I'm here to save the candy. I think this one's my favorite. Frankly, I'm cute. You got a little turtle. And then all along the pathway you have pumpkins, sunflowers, little corn. Cute! Can I hear it for the penguin corn? Anybody? Penguin corn? So over here we have Meet a Mermaid, so you can get your photo taken with a mermaid. It's only $20. You get a 6x8 and then your digital download. Alright, we got some pirates over here, guys. Ooh, hello! What we got you doing over here?
You see, this is our friend Frank. He's sort of taking over our ship.
Nice.
That's a mean spider, but he doesn't have a smile on his face. Well, he outgrew his cage and took over our ship and wrecked it. So now we're stuck here until we can get rid of it. So if you know someone that can help us get rid of it, feel free to come on our way.
Alright, will do, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much for stopping by.
So popping on over into Build where we have pumpkin costumes, we have dresses, we have like little pajamas, candy corn cutie, skeletons. We're gonna have a Hollowscream t-shirt, that's cool. Witch's broom and hat, headbands. And then you get little stuffed animals to go with it. So you got a Frankenstein bear. And then you can see some of the plushes modeling them. Cute! Pink chickens are looking good for today. Yeah, nothing to report. Alright, and they got this cool little photo op in the front. So it says, fall into fun at SeaWorld. So yeah, in the front if you guys want to take a photo. Alright, well that's gonna do here from SeaWorld Orlando. We gotta check out the always great Spooktacular. We got lots of candy, saw tons of characters, and gotta check out the cool little Scarecrow show. Also, we gotta check out the just announced Penguin Track ride, all the construction, all the track, and as always, if you guys like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, also known as X. See you guys next time. Bye!